Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram DM option is not showing. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and here if you tap on your DMs at the top right corner, here you'll find out that your direct messages are not there. Here, the first thing we're going to do is to go out from Instagram and tap on Play Store. Once you're in Play Store, then go to the search bar and type in Instagram, then hit search. So here, if it says update, then just tap on it to get the latest version of Instagram. And here, once the app is fully up to date, then you can go back to Instagram and see if your direct messages are there or not. Now, if you still have the same problem, then we're gonna go to our settings, scroll all the way down, and tap on apps option. After that, we're going to choose the second option, manage apps. Here, scroll all the way down till we get to Instagram. So tap on it, then tap on clear data, then clear cache. So this is going to delete if there is any bugs in the app, or also it's going to fix if there's any issues in the app. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.